Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again, and in this video I will teach you exercise 1.2 of NCERT chapter 1st rational numbers. And friends, if you want to increase your calculation speed in mathematics, so you can go to my channel, that is Brain Exercise with Jyoti Chabra, and there you will find the best videos for how to increase the calculation speed and how to become a human calculator just like Shakuntala Devi. So you can visit my channel and avail the opportunity of increasing your calculation speed. So let's begin this video with this question, that is question number 3. We have to find out 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So can I write 2 as 20 upon 10? Because whenever we will solve this 20 upon 10, we will get the answer 2. So in this question, I will write 2 as 20 upon 10. So 5 rational numbers which are smaller than this 20 upon 10 are, that is 19 upon 10, 18 upon 10, 17 upon 10, 16 upon 10 and 15 upon 10. Because if you solve this 19 upon 10, you will get the answer 1.9, which is smaller than 2. If you solve this 18 upon 10, you will get the answer 1.8, which is also smaller than 2. And if you solve all these numbers, you will find the answer which is smaller than 2. So these are the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So our next question is, that is the fourth question. We have to find out 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. So what we will do in this type of question, we will make the denominator same, so that we will easily find out the rational numbers between these two numbers. So in order to make the denominator same, here the denominator value is 5 and in this denominator value is 2. So how we will make the denominator same? We have to take the LCM of 5 and 2, and when we will take the LCM of 5 and 2, we will get the answer 10. So first we will make the denominator same by taking the LCM. So our LCM is 10. So what we have to do, we have to make this denominator 10. How we will make this denominator 10? We have to multiply this 5 by 2. So when we multiply this 5 by 2, we will get the answer 10 in the denominator. But we multiply this 2 by the denominator value, so we have to multiply this 2 by the numerator value also, that is 2. So whenever we will multiply this 2 by 2, we will get the answer 4. So our answer is minus 4 upon 10. In the same way, we will do with this number, that is 1 upon 2. What we have to do, we have to make this denominator 10. So in order to make the denominator 10, we have to multiply the denominator value by 5, so that we will get the answer 10 in the denominator position. And when we multiplied 2 by 5, we have to multiply this 5 with the numerator also. So we got 5 upon 10. We got 5 upon 10. Here we will find out the rational number between these numbers, that is minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. So rational numbers between these two numbers are, we have to move in the ascending order. So here this number is minus 4 upon 10. So the greater number than this minus 4 upon 10 is 3 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 1 upon 10. We will move in the ascending order. But when we moved in the ascending order, we find only 8 rational number between these two numbers. So what we will do now? We find only 8 rational numbers, but we have to find out 10 rational number according to the question. So what we will do, we will multiply this minus 4 upon 10 by 3 with both the numerator and the denominator, so that we will get the bigger number and we will find more rational number between these two numbers. So what I have done, I have multiplied this minus 4 upon 10 by 3 with the denominator value and with the numerator value, and I got minus 12 upon 30. Like in the same way I will do with this, that is 5 upon 10. I have to multiply by 3 with the denominator and the numerator. So in the numerator I got 15 and in the denominator I got 30. So my answer is 15 upon 30. Now there are many numbers between this minus 12 upon 30 and 15 upon 30. But we have to find only 10 rational numbers. So we will move in the ascending order, that is that is here number is minus 12 upon 30. So greater number than the next greater number than this number is, that is minus 10, minus 11 upon 30, minus 10 upon 30, minus 9 upon 30, minus 8 upon 30, minus 7 upon 30, minus 6 upon 30, minus 5 upon 30, minus 4 upon 30, minus 3 upon 30, and minus 2 upon 30. And we can also write minus 1 upon 30, 1 upon 30. So we have so many numbers between these two numbers. So what we have to do in this type of question, first we have to make the denominator same by taking the LCM of the given denominator value. Once we make the denominator same, we have to find out the rational numbers between these numbers. If we get the required 10 rational numbers, so it's good. But if we do not get the required rational number between these numbers, we have to make this number a greater number. How we will make this number a greater number? We can multiply by 2, by 3, by 4. We can multiply by any number. So it's better, it's my advice to better multiply with a bigger number, so that you can find a more numbers between these rational numbers. So I have multiplied by 3. You can multiply by 2 also, and you can multiply by 5 also. You can multiply by any number to make the quantity of number more. So here I got 10 rational number between these minus 12 upon 30. So this is 10 rational number between these two numbers. So this video is completed, and in the next video we will do the remaining questions of this exercise. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.